So why would you want this instead of the VBand adapter? Well, if you already have the VBand adapter, you probably don't. There's really not that much of a difference. But this does do one thing that the VBand adapter doesn't do. So I will say that the VBand folks posted their source code. I actually didn't know that they had posted the source code to their adapter um, until after I had made mine. But it's really very simple. The way it works is when you hit the DIT, it sends the left control key, and when you hit the DA, it sends the right control key. And that's interesting. It even lit up the backlighting on my keyboard when I did that. That's interesting. Um, so that's it, and that is all it does. I think it's maybe 20 lines of code. Um, Pretty clever. I didn't. I don't want to take credit for inventing that. But what I did invent was that because I come from a musical background, my first inclination was to make this look like a MIDI keyboard, a musical keyboard, which has some advantages. So here's the issue. This is again not probably going to happen to you, but here's the problem with using keyboard keys. So let's say look, I've got two tabs open, and I'm going to key in, and then I'm going to hit W, and look what happens. Boop, there it goes. Why did that happen? It's because Control W is the close tab key shortcut. And if you're holding down one of these, that's like holding down Control. So, that could be a problem. It's probably not actually going to be a problem. So again, these are kind of edge cases, and the VBand adapter will work just great. But the other thing that you get when you use a MIDI input instead of a keyboard input is you can run things in the background. So let's load up Vail. That's going to turn off the amber light. That's VBand compatibility mode. So we're going to go to Vail. Yep, there it goes. I didn't get it on camera, but the light turned off, and we gotta do something to turn off mute, and then okay. So there we go. We're cooking with gas. All right, but now we can go and do something in another tab. We can go look at I don't know. Well, let's just go to Google. So yeah, there we are. We're typing some stuff in, and if we want to, while this is up, we can just so that you can even, make this go down if you want. Pretty neat. I've even had my screen go to sleep, or you can lock the screen even. Let's see if I can reach all the way over to the L. Yeah, lock the screen. And I believe it still works. Yeah, because this is a musical instrument. It's not really an input device. You can't send commands to anything. You're just playing notes. And so there you go. That's what you might want to do. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is that this Arduino Xiao, I believe you can get a single one of them for about 15 bucks. You can get a 3-pack for $30. And $30 is, if I'm not mistaken, how much the VBand adapter costs. And I do not doubt that it is worth $30 and that they're putting $30 worth of work into it. There is a reason that I am not selling these. So props to them for making this easy for people by selling a put together unit. But if you're willing to do a little bit of soldering, or just buy a pre-soldered one with legs on it and stick it in a breadboard, then you can save yourself some money, maybe make 3 for the price of 1. And oh, it's gone to sleep. I wonder if it'll look at that, screen's off. All right.